I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your phone actually supports 2 SIMs in its hybrid tray, otherwise this guide won't apply. Once confirmed, power off the device to avoid damage and use the eject tool to remove the tray. Place the primary SIM in the designated slot and the secondary SIM in the hybrid slot, carefully aligning contacts. Make sure both cards sit flat. If one is loose, reseat it. After closing the tray, power on and wait for the system to detect both SIMs before moving on. Once both SIMs appear, go into Settings and find the SIM or Mobile Network section to assign roles. You choose which SIM handles calls, SMS, and mobile data. Set your preferred SIM for each function so you avoid unexpected charges. Next, enter carrier APN details for the SIM you plan to use for data. Incorrect APN prevents internet. If carriers require manual configuration, input values precisely. Finally, toggle mobile data and verify signal icons. To finish, actively test each function. Call from SIM A, message from SIM B, and browse using whichever SIM you set for data to confirm routings. If one SIM fails to register, power down and reinsert the tray, then try each SIM alone to isolate a faulty card or tray contact. When signals are inconsistent, clear any saved APNs and reset network settings as a last resort. If problems persist, contact your carrier to ensure both lines are provisioned and compatible with your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.